Kitajci se učijo, kopirajo, vsi sposojajo, prevzemajo, najemajo, ampak Evropejci imamo še vedno nekaj adutov.
Torej, vstopimo na področje avtorskih pravic v avtomobilskem dizajnu. We have seen a lot of these European designers that went to China. And then we can see also European design on the Chinese cars. What is your opinion about it?
I don't know about competitors, but we at BMW Group, we have a very strong design team of about 700 people. Sometimes we lose some of these designers. Typically they go to Chinese competitors. There's about 6 of them that have a design studio in Munich. This happens, but I think it's only a compliment to the strength of our creative team.
Is it somehow possible to copyright the design?
Yes, absolutely. Every design that we do is under copyright. But of course, it's kind of tricky because if somebody wants to copy it and change 1 or 2 lines, it's possible. But we tend to believe that in order to stay ahead, you have to keep innovating, you have to keep moving forward. And at the moment, we are moving very fast. So that's our strategy to stay ahead.
Ker na koncu se kupuje tudi znamka, ja? Tudi ta story behind the brand. Potem si bolj, recimo, si nezamenljiv. In naša znamka, ki je leta 1886 praktično sploh izumila avtomobil, ja? Patentirala avtomobil, ima seveda najdaljšo tradicijo, heritage, history. In imamo verjetno največ teh tako imenovanih ikoničnih elementov, iconic elements. Mi navadno ne rabimo praktično nič novega izumiti, le moderno interpretiramo, kaj pa vem, ta grill, ki ga vidimo na GLC-u danes. Ne? To so tisti elementi, katerih se mi držimo. Ja? In to je naša tradicija in to je razlika med nami in tako imenovanim drugimi.